Hello everyone. In this video, I'm mainly focusing on some issues that I have noticed with Snowflake Workspaces. So when you access a worksheet through Workspace, uh, there are few options that are not available in Workspaces but are available in worksheets. So right now, this one worksheet is opened into a workspace. This is my workspace. You can see this worksheet is open right now into the workspace. Let's go back to the worksheet and let's go back to one of the tab where worksheet is open uh, in worksheets. So this is how worksheet looks like. uh, you can add a new worksheet, SQL or Python, from this drop down. Also, uh, you can select the role and the warehouse that you want to use, and this option is for sharing the worksheet. So if there are some people who wants to access the worksheet, you can share it with by using few options. One of the quite popular is uh, people with link. So whoever is with link can access this particular worksheet. From here you can change the privilege. You can make it view plus run, or can keep it or can restrict it just to view the code. And you can get the link will get copied to your clipboard and you can share that link. So that is one way to share a worksheet. Other being entering the username of a Snowflake user, and by that way that particular person with the username will be able to access it. So this is one of the key feature of worksheets, which is absent in workspaces. So if you go back to workspaces, there is no such option. There is a button to change the role and warehouse, and then you can choose database from here. And lastly, we have this share button, and this doesn't allow to create a link. This doesn't allow you to generate a link that can be used to view or view plus run your code. So this is one of the drawback of workspaces. You can copy the code, or can download the worksheet. That is in general option, but you are not able to share it using a shareable link. That is one of the thing. And the other drawback that we can notice in workspaces is this one. So there are code versions created when a query is run. So if you are running multiple queries, um, worksheets going to save the versions of your code runs, and that is quite helpful if you miss some data, or if you wanna go and look back into what was your code looking before a while. So for doing such a things and digging into the previous queries whatever you might have ran, for such use cases, code versions is a helpful way to look into the different versions. And also the timestamp is visible for code versions, but this feature is also missing in the worksheets. So right now I'm sorry, workspaces. Right now I'm on the workspace, and this workspace doesn't allow you to look into the code versions. There are a few options like user preference and close tab and kind of things. Also, if you click on these three dots, here also they do not really allow you to look into the code version. However, there is an option given to open in worksheets that can be done. Uh, these three buttons, these three dots right beside worksheets, is also can be used to go to or navigate to worksheets. So these are few things that are missing in workspaces. Also, I think Snowflake has noticed these bugs, and after that they have added worksheets options back to the back to the quick menu or the navigation panel. So earlier, after introducing workspaces, they had removed the worksheets options, but now it's available, and you can definitely leverage the old UI of handling worksheets and running code there. So that's the overall idea, and those are the features that are absent in workspaces as of now. Hope you like this video, and uh, give it a thumbs up. See you later. Bye.